6 people have been killed, and another is fighting for life after a horrific crash in Birmingham. The crash, involving 3 cars including a taxi in Egbaston, Birmingham, occurred in the early hours of this morning and saw victims ejected from their vehicles in a scene on utter devastation. Shocking pictures showed debris littering the road, with cars mangled and passengers trapped. The scale of the crash meant that 40 firefighters worked at the scene. West Midlands Ambulance Service spokesman said in the first car there were a man and a woman. The vehicle had suffered very extensive damage, but astonishingly, despite the damage, the pair had managed to get out and had suffered relatively minor injuries. They were taken to Heartlands Hospital by ambulance for further assessment. The second vehicle, a black cab, was on its side. Sadly, there was nothing that could be done to save the driver, and he was confirmed dead at the scene. The man and woman in the back were rapidly extricated. Unfortunately, it was not possible to save the woman, and she was also confirmed dead at the scene. The man was taken on blue lights to the Major Trauma Center at the Queen Elizabeth Hospital, Birmingham, with the Mara trauma doctor traveling with the crew. Sadly, he died at hospital. There were 4 men from the third car. All had been ejected. Tragically, 3 of them were confirmed dead at the scene. The 4th was also taken on blue lights to the Major Trauma Center at the Queen Elizabeth Hospital, Birmingham, with a critical care car doctor traveling with the crew. He was said to be in a critical condition on arrival. There were 3 further cars involved in the crash which had tried to avoid the crash scene. Ambulance staff did not see anyone from the first vehicle. A man and a woman from the second vehicle suffered minor injuries and were taken by ambulance to Heartlands Hospital for further assessment. There were 2 men in the third vehicle. One was discharged on scene after assessment, the other said he didn't require any assistance. This was an extremely complex and distressing crash scene that required excellent multi-agency teamwork. The ambulance service has already debriefed all of the staff involved and will be providing ongoing support as required due to the nature of the incident. The Force Support Unit of West Midlands Police said this morning that Belgrave Middleway, near Egbaston, Birmingham, would be closed from Islington Road to Bristol Street throughout Sunday. They tweeted, "All first responders at the scene are doing their very best in very difficult and upsetting circumstances. This is a very serious incident. Police have yet to confirm any further details surrounding the crash." The Hazardous Area Response Team of West Midlands Ambulance Service described it as a significant incident. Very upsetting. Emergency service arrived almost minutes after and has been cordoned off with lots of police since. It was the most horrible thing I have ever witnessed. It didn't look good at all. I hope everyone involved is okay, especially this close to Christmas. Tragic. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun online news team? Email us at tips@thesun.com.